Good morning classes. We were reading chapter 5, grouping materials of different kinds. In the previous classes of chapter 5 we have seen some materials around us. We have seen grouping of materials or things. We have seen classification of materials. We have seen activity 5.1 and activity 5.2. We have seen some properties of materials such as appearance of material. Activity 5.3, hardness of materials, soluble or insoluble materials. Activity 5.4, density of materials, and in this class we are going to read about transparency. So students, open page number 60 in your science book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words. While traveling in cars or buses, you are able to see through windows which are made of glass but not through the metallic body. So whenever you travel from car or bus to somewhere, you see things outside from the window of bus or car. This is because the window of the car is made up of glass. Glass is transparent while the rest of the body of the car or bus is made of metal, due to which you cannot see out of metal. But in winter you cannot see clearly even through the glass window because of the frost. Underline this word, frost means fog or dew on them, which makes them less transparent. Okay, so in the cold or winter it becomes difficult to see even out of the glass window of a car or bus because of the fog on it, which makes them less transparent. So based on transparency or the ability to see through, materials can be classified as follows. Number 1, transparent materials. Materials through which you can see clearly are called transparent materials. Light passes fully through these materials. Okay. So the material from which you can see things easily are called transparent materials, and the light can pass easily through these materials. For example, glass window, some plastics and acrylic sheet. Acrylic sheets means plastic sheets are transparent in nature. So acrylic is a form of plastic and this plastic is transparent. Now key facts. You are surrounded by air. You can see different things because air is transparent. Okay, so we are surrounded by air. Air is everywhere and air is transparent, so we can see different things because we can see different things through air. Now pure water is transparent. Pure water means rainwater, and rainwater is transparent. Now turn the page. Translucent materials. Materials through which you can see only partially are called translucent materials. Light passes only partially through these materials. Underline this word, partially means only a part or to a limited extent. So there are some things or materials from which other things appear to be light or misty. Such materials are called translucent materials, and from these materials light can pass only partially. For example, oily paper, thin muslin cloth. Muslin means cotton fabric. butter, paper and frosted glass. Frosted glass, we have seen meaning of frost, which is fog. So glass with fog are translucent in nature. Now third, opaque materials. The materials through which you cannot see at all are called opaque materials. Light does not pass at all through these materials. So the material from which you can not see things easily are called opaque materials, and light does not pass at all through these materials. For example, wood wall made of concrete, metal sheet, notebook and paper are opaque materials. Now classroom discussion. You are shown 4 objects like glass, blackboard, wood and wax. Which of these is a transparent object and why? So think and you can answer me on the comment or in the group. Now class slide. It is a rectangular piece. Underline this word rectangular, which means quadrate. So here you have to underline this word. It is rectangular piece of glass on which an object to be viewed under a microscope is placed. So glass slide is a rectangular structure on which an object is placed inside a microscope for viewing things. The microscope is a tool through which we can see very small things which we cannot see with naked eyes. So students, that's all for today. In the next class we will see activity 5.5. So thank you class.